Are you doing leaps, Madeline? Well, show Mott's, Madeline. Go into the living room and show Grandma Mott's.
What are you doing?
She's leaping, yeah.
Wow, look at that leap. Wow.
Come on, we're moving out. Come.
Sit down.
Madeline, on your bottom.
You don't want you to fall. Sit down.
On your bottom, baby. Good.
Emmy, could you come here and help me, sweetheart? Please. Yes. Let's put all the instruments back in here. Please.
What are you doing, baby? Oh, your underwear needs adjustment.
You missed all the fun out in the pool.
Oh, no.